Hi, I'm Jim Reese, and I work with the Growmark Agronomy team to develop adjuvant technologies that deliver more value to Growmark member companies and their growers. Today I'd like to talk about methylated seed oils, and because there's significant performance differences between oils, you're going to need to know more about how they work and what works best. So why do we methylate seed oils? Research in the 1980s showed that we get better herbicide performance from methylating oils compared to the non-methylated parent oil. The reason for this is we get better solvency characteristics and we get better movement across the epicuticular wax so that we put more herbicide in the plant faster. But ultimately what you need to know is the performance of methylated seed oils are determined by the parent oil source, the level to which the formulation is methylated, and the surfactant system. The other thing you really need to know is that the best three things to methylate in order of performance and crop safety are canola oil, sunflower oil, and soybean oil. Now, there are formulations in the market today, in fact quite a few of them, that don't follow these rules. There's quite a few formulations that use alternative oil sources and don't methylate the entire formulation. While this holds costs down and keeps prices cheap for some methylated seed oil formulations, it comes back to haunt everyone else in terms of lower levels of performance and crop safety. So let's take a look at how this all plays out in actual research work. In a 2009 study conducted by BASF to determine the best adjuvant system for Kicksorter herbicide technology, BASF looked at crop oil concentrate, methylated seed oil, and FS Optique. And what they found was that on key weed species, FS Optique delivered significantly better performance compared to ordinary MSOs and crop oil concentrates. The reason for FS Optique's superior performance? Methylated canola formulation with an advanced surfactant system, and it delivered better levels of performance than ordinary methylated seed oil or crop oil. With adjuvant technologies, the old adage really holds true. You get what you pay for. In the case of Optique, while you'll be paying a little more on a per acre basis, your growers will be getting a lot more back in terms of yield. When you look at the analysis here and you think back to the weed control data that we just looked at, it's not hard to imagine that there was 1, 2, maybe even 3 bushels difference between those treatments from lower levels of weed control on some really tough weed species. By using FS Optique, you'll do a better job protecting and preserving your yield, and if you put just 1 or 2, maybe 3 bushels more on the bottom line for your growers, you'll be able to show them that FS Optique didn't cost them more, it actually made them more, maybe several $1,000s more across their farming operation than an ordinary MSO would have delivered. Working with the Growmark Agronomy team, we're dedicated to bringing you adjuvant technologies that you can use to demonstrate how you can deliver more real value to your growers' farming operations and put more net profit on their bottom line.